See, the first gland is pituitary gland. I said it had two divisions. One is adenohypophysis, other one is neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, it secretes how many hormones? 5 hormones. I have said the names also. On seeing the name, we know that is pituitary. Certainly, it's known as most of all the glands. It has gigantism. It has 3 defects. What are the diseases caused by pituitary? Means gigantism, dwarfism and acromegaly. I said already. On seeing the name itself, you know they are thyroid stimulating hormone, they control the thyroid, adrenocortic hormone, gonadotrophic hormone, gonads I said female 6 hormones, and follicle stimulating hormone that also helps, that also belongs to gonads only, and luteinizing hormone, they are page number 234 I am taking. Luteinizing hormone, it promotes male and female cell growth, and the male sex organ is testosterone. Male sex hormone is testo. Pronounce the word and learn the spelling. Testosterone. Okay, yeah. This pituitary gland secretes male hormone, that is testosterone, and female hormone. These hormones helps at the time of, for female, these hormones helps at the time of delivery. Estrogen and progesterone. Spellings learn children correctly. Progesterone. Clear? Then this is only adenohypophysis, and neurohypophysis you have to see what are the thing. Pituitary is very important than other glands. It has neurohypophysis, it has 2. One is vasopressin, other one is oxytocin. Vasopressin, pituitary. Now we have seen what is pituitary gland, what are the hormones, what are the 2 parts of, 2 division of it, what are the hormones secreted by every division, and what's the function. Next we have to go for and pituitary gland. In the year, page number 234, you see a deficiency of ADH, that is adenocorticotrophic hormone. Deficiency of ADH, antidiuretic hormone, vasopressin. Deficiency of ADH reduces the absorption of water and causes an increase in the urine output. So, this hormone is not secreting properly. So, urine has not let out from the human beings. Instead of that, they started to suffer with sugar. So, that is diabetes. This disorder is known as diabetes insipidus. Which hormone is not secreted properly? If vasopressin is not secreted properly, we have to suffer with diabetes insipidus. Next, we have to go for thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is known as personality hormone. It develops our personality. The thyroid, that is pituitary, you see, cortex of the cerebrum cortex. The thyroid, we have to see the trachea, the neck region, we can see the thyroid. Some people, you can see the thing, so neck, swollen neck. This is the deficiency of the thyroid. So, how the thyroid disease has come means, maybe the lack of iodine in the salt. So, while you are getting the salt, we have to see whether it is iodine labeled or not. Iodized salt. We can see on the wrapper of the salt, salt packet, iodide. So, the salt should contain iodine. This iodine is very important for us. If it is lack, we have to suffer with thyroid deficiency. Okay, we will go for the thyroid gland. See the structure there. This is 2-mark diagram. So, you have to go through the diagram, you have to practice. You just take your science notebook and draw this diagram. Thyroid cartilage, thyroid gland, trachea. Trachea, this is the neck region we can see. Both the sides you can see the thyroid gland. Okay. It secretes the hormone thyroglobulin. What it is? Thyroglobulin. It secretes amino acids, tyrosine and iodine. So, they involved in the function of thyroid hormone. If it is not properly functioning, we may get the disease T3 and T4. The thyroid test we are going means mostly the people are suffering with T4 only, that is Tetrodotyronin or thyroxine, this is the defect in the mostly. What are the function of thyroid? What are the function of the thyroid hormone? Everything we have to say. What are the function of pituitary hormone? What are the function of thyroid hormone? It production of energy maintaining, that is metabolic rate of the body. Metabolism, I say, the food what you have taken is digested, that is anabolism. After that it becomes catabolism. Okay, the digested food is converted into energy, that is catabolism. L2 helps to maintain the normal body temperature, influences the activity of the central nervous system, control the growth of the body and bone formation, essential normal physical, mental and personality development. It also known as personality hormone, because suppose anything that develops here, our personality will be affected. So this is known as personality hormone. What are the function of it? It maintains the normal body temperature. Now normal body temperature is what? 98.4. It maintains the normal body temperature. Production of energy maintaining, that is basal metabolic rate of the body. It helps to maintain the normal body temperature, I said already. It influences the activity of the central nervous system. Central nervous system, brain is controlled by thyroid. It helps in the formation of the bones. It is usually for all the physical, mental activities are controlled by thyroid. It regulates our metabolism. These are the function of thyroid. What are the deficiency? That is thyroid dysfunction. That is thyroid it should secrete, whatever it may be, it should secrete in the normal level. If it is more than that, hyperthyroid, secreted less, hypothyroidism. So it is caused due to the decreased secretion of thyroid. The abnormal condition of the hypothyroidism is, hypo means what? Less secretion, goiter, cretinism, maxedema. Goiter only, I said, see the structure there, see the diagram, that is, you can see only in the hilly region, mainly in the Himalayas, because those people doesn't have iodine salt. This is a disease of iodine. Cretinism, that is stunted growth. Children cannot grow properly. They have mental defect. Somewhat that mentally retarded children, no. The mentally retarded children are known as cretinism children, that is because of thyroid. And maxedema, this is the deficiency seen in the adult. So thyroid has 3 deficiency, that is hypothyroid, one is goiter, other note is cretinism, that is for the male children, and maxedema, that is for the adult. They are mentally sluggish, increase in the body weight, puffiness, romba gunda irupanga. They had all those things. Hyperthyroidism, if it is secreted more, that is known as grave disease. If it is hyperthyroidism, that is the lifespan of the people will be affected. So we have to take proper treatment for this. It increases the metabolic rate, high pressure, sweating, loss of body weight, everything. So hyper is dangerous. Hypo somewhat can get the treatment, but hyper is dangerous. Immediately we have to take the advice of the doctors. The parathyroid gland is supporting the thyroid gland. Next we have to say pancreas. Pancreas is known as islet of Langerhans. The beginning itself I said it is known as dual gland because it acts as exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland. See the structure here. We can see the thyroid. That is a leaf-like structure. It is next to the duodenum. It is a leaf-like structure like this. This is what I said, pancreas. It is next to our duodenum. That is digestive tract. Here we can see patches like this. These are known as what? Islet of Langerhans. அங்கங்க திட்டா இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் அதுக்கு என்ன, what's the name of it? Islet of Langerhans. This is exocrine gland. Pancreas is endocrine gland. Both the glands are function together. This is known as dual gland. Which is known as dual gland? Pancreas is known as dual gland because there is a patches. The patches are known as islet of Langerhans. It secretes alpha and beta cells, and the alpha cells secretes insulin, beta cells glucagon. Thus, this insulin and glucagon not secreting properly, we have deficiency of sugar, diabetes. We'll see in detail now. It is next to the duodenum. It has exocrine and endocrine in nature. So that's why it's known as what? Dual gland. It has two types of cells there, alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells secretes glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. The correct statement, they may give like this: alpha cells secrete insulin, beta cells secretes glucagon. So alpha cell means what you have tried? Alpha cells, they secreted glucagon. Always you should remember. And beta cells, insulin. That is excess of sugar in our body. It's converted into an enzyme insulin. If it is not secreted properly only, we have to get the deficiency of sugar. So next we have to see what are the functions of the insulin. Insulin and glucagon. This is very important answer. At least you write any two function of insulin. Insulin very important. Glucagon is not necessary. Then we just go through once. Insulin helps the conversion of glucose into glycogen, which is stored in the liver and skeletal muscle. That is, excess sugar is converted into glycogen and stored in the liver and muscles. It promotes the transport glucose into the cells. It decreases the concentration of the glucose in the blood. Glucagon, it helps the breakdown of glycogen into glucose into the liver. It increases the blood glucose level. The deficiency of insulin causes, underline, which causes diabetes mellitus, deficiency of insulin. Increase in the blood sugar level, deficiency. Excretion of excess glucose in the urine. Some people got sugar in blood, sugar in urine. Sugar in blood means that is hyperglycemia. Sugar in urine means that is glycosuria. And frequent urination, some people they are going on for the breaks, that is polyuria. We have increased thirst, that is polydipsia. Thirst, increase in appetite, they have poor appetite, they could not eat properly, that is known as polyphagia. So 5 kinds of sugar diseases. One is hyperglycemia, that is the sugar in the blood. Other one is glycosuria, that is sugar in urine. Polyuria, that is glycosuria, polyuria, frequent urination. Thirst, increased in thirst, that is polydipsia. Increase in appetite, polyphagia. Clear? Now we have to go for the last thing, that is adrenal gland. It is present on top of the kidney. The kidney, over the kidney we can see the Malpighian tubules. Next to the Malpighian tubule you can see the adrenal gland. It is otherwise known as suprarenal glands. Adrenal glands are known as suprarenal glands. Renal means what? Kidney. It is found on top of the kidney. The two kidneys we can see. It has two parts, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex, that is outside the thing. It consists of zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata and zona reticularis. This and all not so important. And adrenal medulla, it consists of two hormones, that is epinephrine and norepinephrine. Okay, this is known as emergency hormone. Which is known as emergency hormone? Adrenal, that is norepinephrine. This is known as, they are together, the two hormones. Adrenal medulla secretes two hormones, I said no. One is adrenal medulla, it secretes two hormones. I'll love this and write here. It secretes two hormones. One is epinephrine. Other one is norepinephrine. These two hormones, they are secreted by adrenal medulla. These hormones together, they are known as emergency hormone. These are known as emergency. Why they are known as emergency? At that time of stress or danger, they help us. Either we have to face the problem or we have to run over from the place. It gives the guidance to us. These two hormones together help us how to face the situation in the case of emergency, whether we have to run over or we have to face. So that's why it's known as emergency hormone, or else known as hormone of flight, fright and fight. Flight means what? Run away. Fright and fight. So this is known as emergency hormone as well as hormone of flight, fright and fright. Then next we have to go for reproductive glands. Reproductive glands, you know well, from the 9th standard also we have studied. There are two kinds of glands. Listen. They are, we have male testes, female ovaries. Testes, they are reproductive glands of the males. They composed of what are the parts present in that? Seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells. So I said already, the female hormone is what? Male hormone is testosterone. What are the function of, at least you have to learn two function, which is capable, which can keep in the memory. Testosterone, it influences the process of spermatogenesis. It stimulates the protein synthesis and control muscular growth. It is responsible for the development of secondary 6 characters. That is, till 11 years we have one kind of structure. After 11 years we got other kind of structure, both male and female. This is because of secondary characters. So male, then ovary, it is a female gonads. I said already in the beginning, I said female produces ovary produces two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced by Graafican follicle of the ovary and progesterone from the corpus luteum, underline, progesterone present from the corpus luteum, estrogen from Graafican follicles. What are the function of estrogen? It brings about the changes that occur during puberty. That is, I said, no, after certain age, we have got a different structure that is known as puberty. It initiates the process of oogenesis, that is development of ovary. It stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicles. That is, immediately the child cannot be. The child should be in the mother's womb for 9 months. The development, the process from the once 2 cell, it develops into many cells, that makes an organ and finally comes into a new organism. This is known as what? Maturation. It promotes the development of secondary 6 characters. What are the function of progesterone? It is responsible for the premenstrual changes in the uterus. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of the embryo. After certain years, that a lady can bear the child. This is the stages. It maintains the pregnancy. It is essential for the formation of placenta. The thymus gland, it's a supporter of thyroid gland, I said already. It produces thymosin. This is partly endocrine gland and partly lymphoid gland. Lymphoid gland means next to the blood vessels it can be seen. Thymosin is the hormone secreted by thymus. What are the function of the thymosin? It has the stimulatory effect on the immune function. That is, immunity is developed by this. And it helps in the protection and differentiation of lymphocytes. So, thus we have completed the lesson, children. So, what are the things we have seen? Plant hormones, 5 hormones I said, axin, gibberellin, ethylene, this and all I said, abscisic acid. And human beings, you come to not only human beings, all the animals, we have 2 kinds of glands, endocrine and exocrine. Endocrine glands we have seen totally 5, pituitary, thyroid, pancreas, adrenal and gonads. And pituitary master of all the glands, thyroid personality hormone. And pancreas, it is dual gland, it has both the function exo as well as endo. And the adrenal gland, I said, it's the emergency hormone. These 2 are together known as emergency hormone. It's otherwise known as hormone of fright, flight and fight. And gonads, you know, male and female. Male, I said, it produces testosterone, that is testes. Female ovaries, estrogen and progesterone. Thymus gland also helps for the secondary growth of the human beings, male as well as female. Okay, children, I completed the lesson. Any doubts we can clarify when we have our classes on 16th onwards. Okay, thank you.